Welcome to the world of literature. At World of Literature today, we would be dealing with the critical analysis of Amoretti 5, our fifth sonnet from the sequence of sonnets Amoretti written by Edmund Spenser. So, let's begin the critical analysis. Now, coming to the meter of this sonnet. Now, if you read the first verse of the sonnet, rudely thou wrongest my dear heart's desire. We have rude, one syllable, li, another syllable, thou, another syllable, wrong, another syllable, guest, another syllable, my, another syllable, dear, another syllable, which is a single syllable word, heart is a single syllable word, desire is a two syllable word where we have an unstressed and a stressed syllable. Now the number of syllables that we have here in this verse are 10, which again makes it pentameter, but the sequence of syllables in this particular sonnet is very different or varied as to what in general we have the meter of the Amoretti, which is iambic pentameter. This sonnet lacks somewhere in the perfectness of iambic pentameter. For example, if you have a look at this meter, the first syllable of this verse is an unstressed syllable, that is rude. Li is a stressed syllable. So it begins with unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. But then pattern changes and we have a stressed syllable, thou, which is followed by an unstressed syllable, ron. And guest is again a stressed syllable and then it is followed by an unstressed syllable. Dear is again stressed syllable which is followed by heart's unstressed syllable. And then we have D, which is unstressed syllable, and desire, which is stressed syllable. So what we have here actually is that first two syllables, they are iambic, and last two syllables are iambic. They follow iambic pattern, but in between the six syllables between first two and the last two syllables are actually dactyl. Now what we have here, Spenser does not follow exactly iambic pentameter. There are instances in this verse where stressed syllable follows an unstressed syllable, which is dactyl in nature. Now dactyl is the form of syllables where stressed syllable is followed by an unstressed syllable. But since generally Amoretti follows iambic pentameter, we also say that this particular sonnet, though narrowly, follows iambic pentameter. There are examples or instances of dactyl pentameter also in this particular sonnet. Now that was about the meter of sonnet 5 from Amoretti.